In this video, we're diving into the concept of keys in React lists and exploring why they are so important. Understanding keys is crucial for writing efficient and maintainable React applications. Let's get started. So, what exactly are keys in React? Keys are special attributes you need to include when creating lists of elements. In this code snippet, you can see an example of how keys are used. We have an array called items containing a list of fruits. Then we are using a list element. Inside the list element, we are looping over the array elements using the map function. The map function is returning a list item, in which the key attribute is set to index. In the code, the key attribute is assigned to each list item. These keys help React identify each list item uniquely. Now let's discuss why keys are so important. First, keys significantly improve the performance of your React applications. React uses keys to optimize rendering and avoid unnecessary re-renders. Second, keys provide a sense of identity to each element in the list. Keys help React identify which items have changed, been added, or removed, allowing React to efficiently update the DOM. Here's what can happen if you don't use keys properly. In this example, keys are missing. React might re-render the entire list, even if only one item has changed. This can lead to performance issues, especially with large lists. When React re-renders the entire list, input states can get mixed up. This can cause unexpected behavior and a frustrating user experience. All of this leads to poor performance and a less than ideal user experience. Here's the solution. Use keys properly. In this corrected code snippet, we've added the key attribute to each list item. The key is set to item.id, assuming each item in the list has a unique ID. Now React can track each item individually, and state is preserved correctly. React will only update the items that have actually changed, resulting in optimized performance. Let's talk about some best practices when working with keys. Always use unique IDs for keys. Stable, unique identifiers like database IDs are ideal. Avoid using the array index as keys, especially when the list order can change. This can lead to unexpected behavior and performance issues. Here are a couple of common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is using the index as the key. This can cause problems when items are added, removed, or reordered in the list. Another mistake is generating random keys. Keys should be stable and predictable. Random keys will cause React to re-render the entire list unnecessarily. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. Always use keys when rendering lists in React. Keys are essential for React's reconciliation process. Make sure your keys are unique and stable, meaning they don't change between renders. Proper keys optimize rendering and improve the user experience. Avoid using array indexes as keys when the order of items in the list can change. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.